Now I want to show you an example of how to add the profit margin section into your business plan. And here's the actual formula. You take your net profit divided by revenue, and here are three examples. And I'm gonna, usually in your business plan you would just have one. In my business plan I have my profit of $65,000 here, as you can see, right? The issue is really whether I pay myself and how I decide to calculate that. If I pay myself a salary, for example, 50,000, then only 15,000 is actually business profit, right? In that calculation, that is here, and my profit is 12%, which is not very good. A typical business is, you want to have a profit margin of 25% or more. But at the same time, this number of how much I pay myself is totally arbitrary. If I pay myself less and the business gets more money, then you can see that the business is immediately healthy and profitable. And of course, because I'm a single person entrepreneur, single person business, I can just take all the profit and pay that myself. Then that would make the business very, very profitable in terms of the profit margin, right? Calculation. So in my case, the calculation is somewhat arbitrary, but the formula, what you have to take away at the end of the day is this formula, and it's really simple. As you can see, it's just arithmetic and you're done. It's a complicated term, profit margin. It sounds complicated, but it's really easy.